Hey all, welcome to my channel. In this video we can have a look how to create a NPM private repository or a local repository. We are going to use the Vedaccio, which is a fork of Sinopio. It's easy to install with zero configuration. After installing the Vedaccio, we are going to create a custom library in the TypeScript and going to publish the library to the private repository and accessing from a JavaScript project. Let's go with the demo. Let's open the command prompt and type npm install -g Vedaccio to install it as a globally. It will install. After the installation has been completed, we have to start the Vedaccio using the command Vedaccio. Let's type the command. It will start execute and display the port number. It starts in the port http:/localhost 4873. We can verify it in the browser whether the server is started or not. I'm copying the port along with the port. Let's paste here. The server is started and display the informations. The next step is to create a user because we need to publish the packages into our private repository. So we need the credentials and all those informations. Let's copy the npm add user command and paste it in a different command prompt. Because the existing command prompt is executing by the Vedaccio, we can have a in the service startup. Let's see in the next video. Currently we can copy this and paste it into another command prompt. It will ask for the username, password, and the email ID. For the test purpose, I am using the test@yahoo.com. It has been created. So let's type in the browser the username, password, login. It's logged in. Let's create with a folder for the project and add the package.json. We need the required information like package name, version, and the dependencies. And the next step is to add the .npmrc file that is used for our mapping the private repository, as the npm package will always fetch the informations from the npm folder and the custom library will not be available as we have deployed into our private repository. We have to mention our library and followed by the txconfig.json for our library configuration. Let's start by creating the package.json. Here we are adding the package name, package version, and the dependencies. I am using only the TypeScript. Let's add the .npmrc file for the configuration. Here I am adding the registry http:/localhost 4873. So the configurations I have added for the registry, when you are publishing the folder, it will publish to our local repository instead of our npm. If you are not adding this .npmrc file, it will publish into our public repository, which is npm.org. The next step is txconfig.json. Here the output directory we have to mention that and including the source. And let's create a index.html index.ts followed by greeting.ts. I'm using the hours and giving it as good morning, good day, and good evening. That's it. Let's map the folders in the package.json. We have to inform that which is our main file because we don't want to upload all the entire information to our private repository. We just want the library informations of the build source. So what we have to do is we have to mention the main as we have targeted with the lib folder lib/index.tx, and the types is used for the typings, which is used for that in the TypeScript. Let's map those informations, and I have added the script for the build tsc-p txconfig.json. Let's build our project. npm run build. Once build is completed, we have to log into our private repository using npm login. Provide the username, password, and the email ID which is provided under the add user command. It's logged into our private repository. It's shown as login in admin in our localhost 4873. We can start publishing our custom library using npm publish. It will stop publishing. As you can see that the package version is 1.0.2 and the package name is mynode-lib. Let's verify. How to verify that? In our browser, just refresh it. It shows our library. It has the same versions and the node names and the author names and every information has been stored here. I'm going to create a JavaScript library for accessing the project. Let's create a project. Open the command prompt. Create a folder called testlib. Navigating to the folder. We can initialization the package.json. I can make it as default. The entry point as default. Let's open in the VS Code. Add the npm.rmc file. And your repository. And just copying from the browser. Now I'm installing my node package. Now the package will be installed from our local repository. It started installation. We can verify in the package.json. Starts with the index.js. Import the package using the require. So calling created the object for the greetings equal to new greetings show greetings. Call the text method. Let's execute the JavaScript file. Node followed by index.ts. It's called and executed in the local repository. Thanks for watching the video. Next we can look into how to create a monorepo using the learner with custom library.